Question I get a lot is, Richard, should I stop making my mortgage payments? I can't tell you how many times every day I have people that are calling me and have very distressing situations. They're putting their mortgage payment on their credit card, or they're borrowing on a home equity line of credit in order to make their payments on their first mortgage. And they may have excellent credit or decent credit, and they're wondering if, hey, I'm totally strapped, I'm running out of cash, should I just stop making the mortgage payments? I never advise anybody to stop making mortgage payments because that's not my role. That's up to you. You have to decide that for yourself. Also, I'm not a lawyer. Usual disclaimers apply, blah, 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 blah. However, if it were me, I would not run out of cash. To me, the most important thing is having cash, putting food on the table for my children and my family, not running out of money to pay the basic necessities. I don't want the electricity turned off. It may not be so bad if I can't afford HBO, but I want to have the money to pay for all the basics. And I really want to make sure I conserve cash. So at some point, if I'm in this situation, I am going to conserve cash, and I probably would stop paying my mortgage payments. That's what I would do. That doesn't mean that you should do that. There's a lot of things that are important in life, and one of the things I've found is that this credit and all this is not that important in the scheme of things. It really isn't. And it's much more important that you sleep at night, get out from under, and if your credit suffers, even if you have to file bankruptcy, I tell you, there are so many stories of people, you'll hear in my mortgage relief formula course, of people who have filed bankruptcy and they've been just fine. So if the very worst happens, you'll be just fine. But don't run out of cash. Don't run through your savings to pay your mortgage payment and end up with all your credit cards maxed out and no savings and nowhere to turn. That's my opinion about the situation.